Hello everyone, welcome to another update from the Avalanche ecosystem. It's been a while since my very first video on Snowball Finance. If you've seen that, if you're an OG, you'll remember that it was a very bare bones interface. I think when it launched it was just contracts, and then Bestcoder, they quickly made like the bare bones interface. Then there's been an intermediate update since then from my side. But since then, Snowball has grown a lot, and we haven't really looked into all the different apps they have right now, especially not within the current interface. So when the Snowball Finance team asked me if I want to do a little update, I think it's a great idea, and I think it will be very valuable as well. We're going to do a couple different videos, but for today we are going to be focusing on the Compound and Earn app. Now I'm already starting on the new dashboard, but if you just go to snowball.network, you'll actually end up on the old/current website, which looks like this. But basically any button you press from this website will lead you straight to the new interface, but you may miss out on the dashboard, so I think the dashboard is a great place to start. So real quick on the dashboard, it's really nice and informative little interface. One of the big things for me is you can see your pending harvest, which is really cool. You can also see some general information about Snob, about the pairs, about last transactions. You can see someone just swapped $60,000 worth of DAI just a moment ago. And for example, you can see that the full supply of Snob has already almost been emitted. But like I said, today we're going to look at Compound and Earn, so let's go to our dashboard over here on the left. If it's not up, you can click this little arrow and you can open it, and you can go to Compound and Earn. So on Compound and Earn, there's multiple ways to search for your favorite pair. If you know what you're looking for, you can just type it. Say for example, I'm looking for the DAI E-pool on Pancake. I can just tap DAI, and in my case it is on the top because I already have something in it. I can also, instead of API, search for TVL. Or I can search for a specific app. Now I think API is a great measure, so I'm going to select API. And as you can see, the best API at the moment is at the Joe USDT E-pool, unTraded Joe. So I'm going to select that one. I'm going to click Get JLP. If you already have the pool tokens, it will say deposit, but since I don't, it will take me straight to the Traded Joe app to the right screen to add liquidity. Now I already have a little bit of USDT and a little bit of Joe prepared, so it's very easy for me to add liquidity here. Just click Max. I have to approve the tokens. And then once the approvals have been confirmed, I can just press apply. And now that I have some pool tokens, just go straight back to the app. And then in the app you can see it has now found my pool tokens, so I can press deposit. And one thing to note is that there's always 2 deposits and 2 approvals on Snowball Finance. That's because first of all you have to approve the spending of the Joe liquidity pool token. And then in return for that you get the Snowball version of the pool token, which you can then deposit for Snob rewards as well. So it's 2 approvals and 2 deposits. And it used to be that these were separate transactions, but in the new Snowball interface they're actually combined. So we can select how much of our pool tokens we want to deposit. In my opinion it should almost always be max unless you have a very specific plan. So you can just press max and then you have to approve twice like I said. And then with the 2 approvals done, you just need to deposit twice again. And with the second deposit going through, the UI updates and you can now view the details of your deposit. So you can see here the API is enormous, TVL is also quite big, there's a little boost, and that's around your Snowball earnings. You'll see here what your share of the pool is, and you can also see what the underlying tokens in the pool are. Once you start earning some Snob, you'll also see that getting updated here. For example, this DAI has been going on for a little while. And you can see I now can claim already 2 Snob from that pool. But that's already it for the Compound and Earn app on Snowball Finance. If you're using the app, let me know how it goes in the comments. And join me in another video where we look at the other apps on Snowball Finance. But that's it for now. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.